a 7-10 split. The most impossible spare in bowling. Can I pick it up? We'll find out.
All right, this is a little interesting. We got a pin stuck on the deck. All right, well, that's technically attempt number 1. All right, here we go. We send it over enough times, it has to pick it up at some points. I don't like these challenges, guys. I really don't. Ooh, we got 1 regular pin and 1 Brunswick twister. Do I go for the regular or the Brunswick? Also, if somebody knows what side on this machine that I'm supposed to go for, like, am I just shooting the wrong pin? Because I know there's an ideal pin to shoot depending on the machine. And my spare ball's cracking out. I think it'll be done by the end of this video. It's just too labeled. It's just in there. I'll find the sweet spot. I think I need to cut it in there. That ain't it. Actually, that had a chance. I feel like at some point I'm just gonna start throwing them way too hard. Do the thing you're not supposed to do. I think the goal of this video is to force myself to drill my new spare ball. I think Storm frowns upon us sharing cracked balls, so I'm not gonna show you guys, but just know it is cracked. Okay, at what point do we start going for the 7 pin? Right now. I don't know how many attempts that's been. Oh, actually, it shows me up there. That's been 6. I'm 0 for 6, guys. I'm using my shot. The first one, if that dead wood helped me pick it up, I don't think I would have counted it. Not even close. Also blocking the camera. Put my cheeks right in front of the lane cam. I feel like for the sake of the lane cam, I should go for the 10 pin.
Quick second, guys, just wanted to let you know that League Night and Vlogs have moved over to the Vitamin D Tang channel, so if you guys haven't subscribed over there yet, link is in the description below, and let's go back to the action.
Oh, that was it. I think that's the kind of hit we need. The double tap, flip out. Wow, I throw it so fast now. Is that what happens when you use your legs? There's no way it's 24 off my hand. Actually, I guess there is a way. Nope. I need Mitch. Mitch. One of the kids picked up the 7-10 on this lane, right? It can be done.
I picked up on the 7.
Was it did you go for the 7 or the 10?
7.
7 it is. GSXs are the 7 pin side? Oh no, I think it's machine side. Do it. Oh!
Damn it.
All right, gotta kick her back up there. I'm giving it the heat. Those are the ones that give us hope. Hopium. Oh, that's a bagel. Yeah. I got a tip from Parker Bone once. He said, in order to pick up a split, you have to hit 1. That's a foul, sir. Shout out Parker Bone. Guys, go subscribe to the Bone Legacy channel. That's a pretty cool channel they got over there. A legend and a bunch of legends in the making. All right, let's hit the pin this time. Surely if we throw it harder, we'll have a better chance. The sound it's making makes me feel confident that we can do it.
I feel like the trick is to make it hit against the wall, not the curve.
Oh, I agree. I think it's always like bury it in the corner and the ball hits it and then it flips back out. I probably don't even need to throw it as hard as I'm trying to throw it. Oh, hook. Yeah, a little further left. A little more bury. Hook. I know if it's of no relevance, but this is a broken down 37-foot bat pattern. Literally does not matter. It's got to be on the 1 regular pin, 1 twister pin rack. The cool part is we can keep track of our attempts because we're using my shot. This is attempt number 16. Tim has joined the party. I don't know why I'm trying to throw it harder. I throw it hard enough. It has to hit the right spot or just get really lucky. I'm gonna throw this one even harder. I don't know how hard I can throw it, but I'm gonna try to throw it hard. It's probably not smart after not bowling for a week. 21-8, my spare ball's only getting worse. I wish you guys could see my face as I'm letting go of the ball. It's like, okay, we're getting to shot. Attempt number 20. What's the percentage on this spare? Can we beat the percentage? That hit it hard. 22. If you guys haven't noticed, EFX DMC merch. You can't get this anymore, but there's new merch coming out. Check it out. Look at the description below. DATA and check out for 10% off. Too many nuts. Too many nuts. Too many effort points. Come on. Hook! Oh!
That clip.
That would have been the greatest miss of all time. The bounce back off the ball. I feel my back's been getting so high. I feel like it's got to be the 10 pin on lane 1. Just say as I say that.
You gotta get up on the deck.
That one was drilled. All right, 23 attempts in so far. Michael Jordan was not the correct number for the 710. I got a burp. Indigestion. Excuse me. Not the correct hit. My backswing hasn't gotten this high in I don't know how long. New record though, 22.3 off the speed meter, off the end of the pattern. This is exactly what I wanted to work on when I thought about shooting spares. Just throw it really hard at them. Oh, it came back. I really don't want to have to break out the trick. If you're gonna do it, you can't miss. Attempt number 27. We are now 16 minutes in, 27 attempts. Somehow my ball has flared. We can do it. Hook. You gotta work on your aim. We couldn't pick it up even by cheating. We just gotta hit it the right way. Gotta give her some love the right way. Maybe? Come on. 30 attempts. Maybe we go back to the center for a couple. Darn it. Almost 25. I know they're loving me for doing this. Machines love it when you shoot spares really fast. Ugh. Waiting for my spare ball to come back busted. All right, we're gonna give this one a little more effort. No, I think it's just a half a board further right. 25.3, new record. All right, let me tell a little story while I take a breather. I picked up the 710 3 times in my career in competition. First time was at sectionals in college, so that was pretty cool. Second time was at, I think, the Storm Cup in Korea. And the most recent time was at the Masters at Thunderbird. 2023? So all pretty cool places I picked up my 710s. All right, not my best effort. Okay, back to the 710. Not leaving until I pick up the 710, not leaving until it's been 30 minutes. It's really been 20, I think. 23 minutes, 37 attempts. I've missed the pin one time. No, you gotta hit the pin more than one time. That was it. Now I had a chance. I know I have water here somewhere. That was it. Let's do that a bunch of times and we can do it. I mean, picking up the 710, you should not try to pick it up. It's such a low percentage make. You leave it way more than you pick it up. You should get one way more than you try to pick it up. But since this is a challenge, we gotta get all the percentage points we can get, right? We can afford to get 0 because it doesn't hurt our scorecard. Now 41 attempts in. Yeah, they call this the bedpost. Impossible, even. Well, it will be possible, right here. Nope.
Right side of the 710.
I agree. Not quite as accurate when I'm trying to throw it 100 miles an hour. All right, this one will hit the right side. Or it'll hit no side. My second miss, foobar. All right, well, if you guys are interested in getting yourselves a nice pretty red spare ball, head over to tvballandspy.com, use my code DTANG5 for 5% off. You could use it on anything on the site, not just this pretty red ball. That one just never picks it up. It just never picks it up. I mean, the only prerequisite is that we knock down both pins on one try. That wasn't even a good try. All right, we're gonna go to just normal. Every time I picked it up, it's just been a normal spare attempt. Resetting cameras, resetting cameras. Oh, come on. That wasn't normal, but maybe. That one scares me. Piece of my bowling ball might be gone.
I got one.
Ooh, safe. We are A-okay. Maybe? We need that folded kickback. Maybe I gotta rotate one in there. Definitely overthinking it. Very much a lot of luck on top of hitting the right spot. I feel like I have to throw it hard, just because. Not because, there's no rhyme or reason to it. I just feel like I have to throw it hard. Too flat!
I don't have to spend all the bridge is gone.
As long as the thumb hole's still there, I can pick it up. I only need a thumb hole. Attempt number 50. Ooh, that one hurt the ball a little bit. Just a touch. All right. Just, it's all about where it hits the pin. It doesn't matter how hard. That's terrible. 50 attempts. So we're about 30 and change minutes in. Just buried it in there. Come on, I'm tired. I'm tired of this, Grandpa. They wanted to. They wanted to. Come on. At what point do I break out the secret weapon? At what point? 60? 60. All right. We're gonna pick it up on 59. Then the secret weapon stays in. Stays a secret. That one teased me. Just tickled a little bit. Just tiny bit of hope. Oh! Oh! Quick trigger. Out of it too quick. 55 attempts now. I may not have a shoulder by tomorrow morning. That was a good try. Look at that consistency and ball speed. We're getting closer. I don't know if we're really getting closer. $58. This is the one. 710 going down. Attempt number 59. Yeah. I squeezed that one pretty good. By pretty good, I mean pretty bad. Okay, attempt number 60. It's time. Secret weapon. We're breaking out the Pro-Am tricks. No! Why was that one so much slower to get down the lane? I think that's the first time I've done that. I usually get them down there at the same time. All right, here we go. Again. No, one of each. I wonder if it's because one has surface on it. Absolutely. Make it a ball change. I'm making a ball change. I'm close though, I'm close. All right, we're gonna use two shiny balls. Shinier balls. Oh, do it. Do it. No, it's gonna. That had it. That had it. That had it. No. Why is the first ball so fast? I had it. The walk of shame. What is happening? The second ball never goes that slow. I had it. It was hooking a little bit too. Okay, I know what I did wrong. Just throwing it too slow. Yeah, I got the 10 pin on lock now. Is this cheating? I never said I couldn't use more than one ball. It doesn't count. It went in the gutter. It doesn't count. But we're there. We're right there. Guys, don't go to your local bowling alley and do this. It's frowned upon. I'm allowed to practice because I do this for a living. You know what? I need the reps for pro-ams. I need the reps. I think I'm splitting the balls too much at release. Need a little more end over end, back to back. We're done. We can go home. Yes, you guys made it this far. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you like the video. Comment down below if you guys want to see a legit one, because there's no way I was going to do this one legit unless I got lucky within the first, how many times? It took me 8, 9 tries doing that. I hit the rack twice, but it's because I forgot to throw it fast. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you guys like these kinds of videos, let me know down below. Hit the sub button. Go check out my secondary channel. Link is also in the description below. Check out all the stuff in the description below. There's a lot of stuff. Save some money. Get some cool stuff. I'm tired. I'm going home. Thanks for watching.